Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a cinematic touch on your clips with only a simple step on CapCut. So here I've already added a clip, and to make your videos looks more cinematic, you can just use this video effect on CapCut. So go to the effect, click on the video effect, choose the opening and closing, and then here you can add this horizontal opening like this to make your videos look cinematic. Okay, this is the first option. You can see your video will look like this. I'm going to just adjust it like that, half of the clip. Okay, so that's the first option, and the second option is you can use this other effect still on the opening and closing. You can add this horizontal closing or this portrait open. You can just choose which one to use. I'm going to just use this horizontal because my clip is horizontal. So this is for the horizontal open, like that, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks button below. Thank you.